So guys, mayang hapon no. So naata diri sa Makati Avenue pa and didn't want to mention the name of the establishment. And finally, I met the kasabang probinsyano, Sir Macmahon.
Makayong buntag sa inyo tanan. Kumusta?
Half Scottish, am I right?
Scottish.
Half Scottish, half Visayan from Surigao.
Bistak ba? Bistak.
So,
let's go.
Ano ikaduhang pagkakataon nga, na-meet na ko si Sir Mark. So unfortunately, I'm very lucky because recently I met him that this was the second time. So thanks God. So mayang hapon na tanan, no?
Yo, makayong hapon. Thank you, Kuya. It's good to see you again.
So ano kasi ano, PBB also.
PBB also.
Yeah. And at the same time is model po siya guys. So model ni siya og artista po. O sa ang probinsya no si Captain Chris Padilla.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
di ba? So regards
Galing.
no sa mga teacher naman diya sa Pantaleon Cojera High School kung ma-upload ko ng video ni. So ngayong hapon no kay na-meet ako again si Sir Mark. Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Okay,
Ingat,
thank
have a
you.
good day.
Okay, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.